It's been great actually. We've had so many compliments. We changed the design a bit for this year, for the show, from our previous times we've been to the show. So we were able to have a bit of flexibility with the stand for the show, which has been really beneficial to be able to have like key product areas, because we have so many, we have like 60 brands. So it's very difficult to sometimes show all those brands as well as we possibly can. So we've been able to have our logo and our website and everything really heavily featured to really push Empire Bespoke Foods into the market. It's been very positive, yeah, a lot of positive remarks. Some people did say it was the best stand on the show, so I don't want to be too biased. So yeah, we've had a lot of positive reaction so far to the stand. We've been able to like bring a lot of our own equipment as well, which has been able to, for our food demo sampling stations, we've been able to bring all of those in and then as well as combine it with the Quadrant 2 design stand. For this year it's been probably the Mrs. Ellswood wall. We're really pushing Mrs. Ellswood as the UK's #1 pickle, and being able to add additional graphics and be able to do a lot of sampling for it. So be able to give a dedicated space for Mrs. Ellswood has been great for this year. So I think for my role, I look after exhibitions, but I also look after digital and creative. So I don't have the time essentially to be managing a whole the whole exhibition process. So having support with a stand builder is really useful and really important to be able to create the stand that we have today. Oh, it's been really helpful. They'll literally guide you through the whole process, so that way you know when your timelines are, your deadlines are, and you can get everything done. And it gives a lot of peace of mind. Then I just have to worry about bringing everything else to the stand. But that part, the stand build, is all sort of taken care of. Yeah, so previously we had sort of like build stands which were being built, like constructed beforehand, where this one has been given us a bit more flexibility and be able to come in, just put our stuff in and then leave, and then it's all sort of taken care of.